custom fields can help you to capture and report on the information that's important to your organization. Applying custom fields to learning objects like ILT or VILT, events and sessions, can significantly expand your reporting ability. To create a custom field, you'll start on the Learning Preferences page. Click the Define Custom Fields for Training link, and the Training Custom Fields page will open. On the left side of the screen, you'll notice links that let you create custom fields for other areas of the system that you have permission to manage. For this course, we'll keep our focus on the training fields. The list that displays on the right under Title are all of the existing custom fields that are currently applied to learning objects. You can see the type of custom field that was created and who created it. When you click the Edit icon for a custom field, the Define Custom Field page will open and you can view and modify which types of learning objects are associated with that custom field, as well as its availability and other option settings. If you see an existing custom field that's similar to the field you'd like to create, it might be fastest to use the copy icon to copy the field and modify it to meet your needs. If you need to start from scratch, you'll begin by clicking the blue plus symbol next to fields. The name, tag, and type fields are all required, so let's focus on each one. Enter a logical name for your custom field. For example, if you'd like to create a field that indicates what equipment users should bring to class, you might call the field Equipment Needs. The information you add to the email tag field will become the name of the email tag that can be used by administrators while creating email templates where the tag will be replaced with an actual value for each user. A best practice is to create email tags in all capital letters. Custom tags are prefixed with the word custom. For example, to create the custom field called Equipment Needs, create the tag using equipment.needs, and the system will convert this to custom.equipment.needs.net. You can find more information on email tags in the Email Management online course. When you click the Type drop-down, you'll see each of the available field types. Choose the field type that would work best for the type of information you'd like to capture. In our Equipment Needs example, you might choose drop-down. The active box makes the field active and available for use after you finish creating it. Use the checkboxes to select the types of learning objects where this custom field will be visible and how it can be used. The Response Required checkbox means the field you're creating will be required on the learning object type you've selected, and other administrators will have to set a value on this field every time they create that type of learning object. The Editable on Transcript by Admin checkbox indicates that administrators will have the ability to edit and change the value of this field for individual users by accessing their transcripts. Visible to End User lets you decide whether or not your end user should see this field and its value on their transcripts. For the Editable on Transcript by End User field, you select this checkbox when users will be able to edit the field and change its value for the learning object types you've selected, as long as it's visible to them. The last step before saving your custom field is setting the availability. The custom field will only be visible to users who fall within the availability you set, including all administrators. In other words, if you create a custom field and set availability to Division A, you won't see that custom field unless you're part of Division A. Click Save. Now your field is created. Administrators that are included in the availability defined when the custom field was created will see the field when they create new learning objects. End users will see the field in the event details on their transcripts if they're also in the availability and if the Visible to End User on Transcript checkbox was selected. You can find more information on custom fields and custom field types in our online help.